Welcome to AI Video Studio. Today, we'll explore the world of AI video generation. We'll take a look on some of the most powerful tools that are changing the way we create films and digital content. From turning text into cinematic scenes to bringing still images to life, these generators are transforming imagination into moving pictures. Let's take a closer look at the platforms leading this revolution.
Runway is one of the most powerful AI video generators. It can transform a simple text prompt into cinematic video within minutes. You can also turn still images into moving scenes or edit videos with ease. Runway makes professional video creation simple, fast, and accessible to everyone.
So let's create our first AI-generated video using Runway. First, we're going to use the text-to-video model. It's as simple as typing a prompt. A prompt is the instruction you give to AI. It's the text that tells the AI what to create. To compare the different generators, we'll run the same prompts through each one of them. Let's check which one gives us the most interesting results. Midjourney is best known as one of the top AI image generators, but now it also offers a new animation feature that brings still images to life. With smooth transitions and creative motion, Midjourney transforms art into short videos. It's an exciting update for artists and designers who already use the platform for stunning visuals. Midjourney proves that the line between static images and moving pictures is disappearing. Sora is OpenAI's breakthrough in AI video generation. It creates realistic, high-quality clips directly from text prompts. With advanced understanding of physics and scenes, Sora makes videos that feel natural and alive. It shows the future of filmmaking powered by AI. From simple ideas to complex cinematic shots, Sora brings imagination closer to reality. Adobe Firefly is Adobe's own family of AI models, designed to work inside their Creative Cloud tools. While Firefly first became popular for text-to-image generation, it now also includes video capabilities. With Firefly, you can enhance clips, change styles, or apply generative effects directly in programs like Premiere Pro and After Effects. The main advantage is deep integration. You don't need to leave your editing software to use AI. Firefly focuses on professional workflows, copyright-friendly content, and full control over the creative process. It may not be as experimental as some newer platforms, but for designers and video editors already using Adobe, it's a natural and powerful choice. Veo is Google's advanced AI video generator. It produces professional quality clips with incredible detail and motion. Veo is designed to handle longer videos and complex scenes, making it stand out from many other tools. It's especially strong in creating cinematic visuals, realistic camera movements, and storytelling sequences. For filmmakers and creators, Veo represents a powerful step forward in AI-assisted production. Pika is a creative AI tool designed for fun and fast video generation. It turns text or images into short animated clips with just a few clicks. Pika focuses on playful, stylish results that are easy to share on social media. It's popular among content creators who want quick, eye-catching videos. With Pika, experimentation and creativity come first. When we compare results with the same prompt, differences become clear. Each platform has its own strengths, but the overall trend is clear. Artificial intelligence is becoming a real partner in the creative process. Whether you're an independent artist, a marketer, or a professional editor, AI video generators can help you turn imagination into motion. And this is only the beginning. The technology is improving month by month, bringing us closer to a future where video creation is limited only by our ideas. AI video generators are evolving incredibly fast. What used to require expensive cameras, actors, and film crews can now be done with a single prompt. Which generator would you like to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for the next videos. I will focus on step-by-step tutorials with prompts and settings for each platform.